Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside Digital Soldering Station model PLSD48B2. Temperature range is approximately 200 to 450 Celsius. Rated power consumption is 48 watt. Rated voltage is 230 and accessories included inside we're gonna find out together. 3 years warranty from Lidl. See some pictures and let's see what we have inside. Digital LCD monitor that it will help us to see the right temperature. Well, the manual, of course, if you order it, it is your choice. Stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about that. Let's take everything out. Treatable cable length, it's about 1.5 meters for power, and for the soldering is about 1 meter. Nice. The thickness of the cable is very good, the quality is good. On-off switch, we can see Parkside logo, the model, and there we've got some accessories that you need to put it here. It will help you with a soldering tip just to scratch it here. There are 3 soldering tips, one pre-mounted, you can see, and another 2. We've got 2 reels of electronic solder. It is 10 grams, thickness is 1.5 and 1 millimeter, and 1 soldering sponge. Big LCD, and here we've got the button that it says 200 Celsius, 300 Celsius and 400 Celsius, and from here we have the positive and the negative button. And there is another one. This is the we've got this rubber that it will prevent to go anywhere. You can put your soldering here and then prevent any burnings into the working area. Turn it on. Oh, there we are. You've got the 200, 300 and 400. You can see, but if you are in 200, you can go up 10 every time, 10 Celsius. And you can reach 300, it goes to 300, reach 400, and it will go to 400, and it will go all the way up to 450. Let's move on to 200. Here we've got the power. It can show us the power that it has. The unit is a full power, and you can see it's preheating. It's already changing a color. I have seen here we've got 7 Celsius. I don't know what is the 7 Celsius, but definitely 7 Celsius is not this unit right now. It's quite hot. You cannot even touch it. Please, if you've got the same problem, just leave down below to the comments if you've got the same problem. Well, let's try to see how it works. Got this board. Let's see. Yep. It can melt it very fast. It has lot of power, no problem. And it is in 220. I will put it on 300. Well, now I can see it's blinking. The meaning that is blinking is now it is in sleep mode, in a hold, because I didn't use it for about 20 to 30 minutes. To go out from here, just push a button, or close it, turn it on again, and it will start again. We've got in 300. And you can see with no problem is melting. Nice. Same here. Same here. We've got this cable and here we are. That's fine. Let's say we need to glue it here. And there we are, with no problem, it's doing the job. I want to put it in 400 and precisely, and we'll put it in 450 in the maximum, and we'll use the thicker one. Soldering. And again, with no problem, you can see I can melt it. Doesn't have any problem. Overall, guys, I think it's a very nice digital soldering station. Definitely will do the job. It has a temperature that can show you here into the monitor. It costs 70 euros, guys, and if you need something like that to your space, to your workspace, to your home, wherever is suitable for you, well, just buy it. It has a nice design, and with the LCD monitor is thumbs up. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.